Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about inverse relationships for subtraction and what that means. But before we get started, do you think these equal the same thing? Okay, have a little look. Right, if you don't know the answer to that, then that is great, because that's why we're here to help. Okay, so inverse relationships. What that means is when you swap a number the other way around and if it equals the same thing. So for addition, you can do that. You can swap it round and it equals the same thing. But does that work for subtraction? Let's try. So 3 take away 2. What does that equal? That equals 1. Now, what about 2 take away 3? So you've got 2 and then you go 1, 0, and then that equals minus 1. So as you can see, for subtraction, it doesn't work. You can't swap the numbers and it equals the same thing because it equals different. And that's what inverse relationships mean for subtraction, okay? So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!